Hey everyone, are you ready for a smartphone that leaves all the others in the dust when it comes to performance, camera, and battery life? If so, buckle up, because the phone we're about to talk about is going to blow you away. That's right, you heard correctly, Nokia is rumored to be working on a device that will completely shake up the smartphone world. We're talking about the Nokia Infinity Pro 2025 5G, which is said to feature a mind-blowing 500-megapixel DSLR-like camera and the most powerful processor ever. So if you're thinking about getting this phone, you'll want to stick around until the end of this video. We've got all the leaked specs, price, and the launch date. So let's start. Nokia Infinity Pro 5G, the leaked features. The display. First up, let's talk about the screen. This phone is rumored to come with a massive 6.84-inch Full HD+ LTPO OLED display. With a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 410 Hz touch sampling rate, your gaming experience will be taken to a whole new level. Plus, an IP68 rating means it's incredibly durable and built to last. The camera, a DSLR killer. Now for the feature that's got everyone buzzing, the camera. The Nokia Infinity Pro 5G is set to have a triple rear camera setup, with a main sensor of 500 megapixels. You heard that right, 500 megapixels. It's also expected to include two additional sensors, likely a 50 megapixel ultrawide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a rumored 64 megapixel front-facing camera that's ready to capture stunning shots. The performance. The processor in this phone is so powerful, it's hard to even imagine. It's rumored to feature Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This processor can handle multitasking and heavy gaming without a single lag. Plus, it's expected to come with the latest Android 16 OS, giving you a top-tier, buttery-smooth user experience. The battery backup. Are you tired of constantly charging your phone? The Nokia Infinity Pro might just be for you. It's rumored to pack a monstrous 8500 mAh battery that supports crazy fast 150-watt super-fast charging. This means you'll be able to use your phone all day long without any stress, and you can get it fully charged in the blink of an eye. The price and launch date. Now for the big question, what will it cost? According to leaks, the price could be around $599. As for the launch date, it's rumored to be released latest this year. This phone really seems incredible. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.